Alright guys, nandito kami sa, anong tawag dito, mami? Alright guys, nandito kami sa, anong tawag dito, mami? California Railroad Museum. These are real trains. Real trains. May steam train doon. We've seen a couple over there. And we have some of the trains here as well. Alright, we're moving up to another exhibit. Nobody's here. This what's it looks like. Yan.
2 quarters.
Oh, let's see.
Ano? Chef at saka porter. Dito sila.
You guys just don't touch anything. Ito yung ooh,
Ito yung
crew
kitchen.
quarters. There we go.
Yung mga ganito. Yung mga train na may kainan.
Oo, yung mga pang ilang araw ka na sa train. Yung kitchen nila. Nice. Totoo talaga, oh.
Ayan, California Governor Mrs. Ronald Reagan had dinner here on July 13, 1970.
Oh. Right in the same. This is the same train. Oops. It's Georgia Northern.
Ito naman sa Santa Fe.
Santa Fe, ganyan yung train niya. Oh.
Georgia Northern.
Grabe, no?
Los Angeles.
Ito yung state room.
Master
State room.
Stateroom.
Ganyan sa train. Pwede sa matulog. Ito yung CR nila.
Ano to?
CR, yung shower.
My card game mode is
Toilet bowl
card
andun.
game.
Guest state room. Yes, you can play cards there. Ito siya. Yes, this is how it looks like. Ayan, oh. It's the real train. It's the real train. Nilagay nila dito. May mga wheels yun sa ilalim. We're on a platform. So ito siya.
Wow, look
Diba? This is how it looks like. It's the real train. Ayan, no? Ayun, this is the real train, guys. Ganda, oh. Ang daming trains dito. Ang daming trains.